So we are moving towards the end of 2026, and you're already seeing what's happening across the world. People are starting and learning about AI. They're starting their AI business. They're growing their AI agency, helping other small businesses in order to learn, adopt, and implement AI solutions into their business. There are already projections that AI is going to change the workforce for forever, because these are tools which are going to help you reduce the amount of time, increase the amount of revenue, and grow your business significantly in the shortest time possible. And if you haven't already started an AI agency, then this is the exact video that you need to watch in order to ensure that you learn everything step by step to implement the right AI agency model. Because guess what? If you get into a system where you do not implement the right agency model, you are always going to be overburdened with the new AI stuff that comes out every single week. Instead of that, I'm going to show you how exactly you can implement my system that I use in my business so that you can grow your AI agency and set it up for one for all. So this is how in 2026 I would start an AI agency, because here I'm going to focus on one niche, one problem, and one repeatable system which I can churn again and again to make the most amount of buck for my effort in an AI world. All right, the first thing that people have this misconception about is that you need to sell AI, because AI is everywhere. AI is the buzzword. And guess what? If you just try to do that over again and again and again, people are going to get scared. People are going to get disturbed, and they will not be encouraged and enthusiastic to talk to you about your AI services. Because guess what? Businesses do not wake up every single day, every single morning and think about that, hey, I need my AI services from John Doe or from Christine. None of that actually happens, because there's problem in every single business, and that's exactly the solution are they looking for. So don't sell AI, right? Business owners don't buy AI solutions. They buy AI solutions that actually help them grow their business. So what exactly that they are buying? They're buying more leads, faster follow-ups, more appointment books, and more revenue. Of course, you're going to accentuate that with the use of AI, because you are an AI-powered agency in your CRM, right? So AI is the delivery system that you're going to use in order to ensure that it's faster, it's efficient, it's top quality, which automatically helps your client's revenue grow from what it is currently. So this is exactly what we are going to follow here. Now, it's very important that we focus on one particular niche, because guess what? Every business in the market needs an AI solution as of now. You talk about roofers, med spa, dentists, real estate, home services. And if you try to focus on all of them, you're going to get burned out super quick, because guess what? It's technical, it's time taking. And if you create custom solution for every single customer every single time, then you will not be compensated enough for the effort you put in. So you have to ensure that you take one single niche, one single target, create a customized solution, create revenue, create solutions, and create testimonials so that you can get more such clients in your industry. So as you can see, specific sells better than generic. So if you are an AI powered solution for roofers, which helps them get better leads, better conversion, better conversations with our AI system, and you can book them for appointments, which potentially could create an opportunity for $15, $20, $30,000 roofing project, then guess what? You've already struck the gold mine. And if you could charge any retainer you literally want with a one-time setup fee, this system is going to be the proven benchmark for your business, AI-powered business, and for others to follow. So this is the reason why I always recommend people that, hey, always pick one particular niche. Do not target everybody, because if somebody targets everybody, they're literally not an expert in anything. That's the reason why you need to be the go-to person in this particular niche when people are looking for AI-powered solutions to grow their business, because that's exactly when you are going to be the thought leader, the implementer, and the master agency ahead, which is what people are looking for in order to associate their business with, right? So that's exactly what you need to do, because focus creates momentum, and you are soon going to be the top leader in your industry, which you need to be following. All right. Now, it's very important that we solve one expensive problem. Now, think about the problem that your particular niche might have. Most businesses don't need more softwares. What they need is they need to stop losing opportunities. They need to fill in those cracks that they have in their funnel to ensure that they get the best ROI on their spending so that they can make more money and uplift their bottom and top line. So you could have mixed calls, you could have slow replies, no follow-up, underbooked leads, and no clear pipeline. There's so many problems that people are facing. And guess what? With AI powered solutions, you could have mixed call text back, you could have AI responses to people. If people are not showing up, you could follow up them with the AI solution and they can have a conversation with the AI solution. For unbooked leads, you can follow up with them, nurture them, and get them to book on a particular date and time inside your calendar. If the pipeline is not organized, guess what? You could use your automated system in order to organize and create customized pipeline. That becomes your offer because you are solving one expensive problem, and that particular problem becomes your offer solution to your target audience in your particular niche, which you want to be the master about, right? So you to automate your entire system so that people can, come in, implement things, and go back to working as per their requirements. You systemize the entire process to make sure this is a repeatable process, and you scale it sustainably to ensure that this doesn't get a crack, right? So this is the entire solution that you need to portray. And guess what? The offer that I would sell as a business owner with somebody with 5 years of experience and helping my clients generate over $4 million of revenue, a complete AI lead conversion system, not a lead generation system, not a mixed call system, but rather a AI lead conversion system. So where I'm going to build them the website, the funnel, the landing page, everything that I think that they need in order to ensure that they get the highest quality leads possible. I'm going to provide them with the best CRM pipeline to ensure that we can track their leads, opportunities, people inside their pipeline effectively. We're going to instantly follow up with our automated system and AI generation responses. We are going to implement the mixed call fixback solutions so that they can have the best retention possible with the reaching out response time. And you're also going to create an AI booking agent to ensure that whenever they interact on the website or WhatsApp or SMS, they can talk to our AI agent, which can then book them, the prospects, into our calendar so that we can grow our revenue. All of this without me literally or you literally putting manually a hand, literally, right? So we're not going to spend any time manually. Rather, we are going to let AI do its job in order to ensure that the quality is top notch. Now, this is the simple, clear, valuable solution that you could sell to your target market. And guess what? You could sell it again and again to many number of businesses so that you can have a good one-time setup fee and a monthly recurring revenue. Now, I'm going to show you to you as to how I would get clients here. So I wouldn't pitch AI, I would show the problem. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find 100 businesses. I'm going to record short audits. Then I'm going to show what they are losing. I'm going to show the demo system. Now, let me give you a complete system solution as to how I would do it. Now, let me quickly go back here and let me quickly showcase you the solution. So this is an amazing website that I have built for one of my clients. And guess what? This is all AI generated. This is not totally hand-coded or hand-created. Rather, I have used my AI solution in order to generate this complete website. And this is not just a small website. This is a multi-page, neat, clean, professional, very well organized website. And it has multiple pages of home, about, services, projects, blog, literary. And the best feature is that we also have our AI appointment booking chat system. Now, this is where this can book automatically anybody who's chatting with it, and it will respond based on the AI solution, the AI mind we have programmed it to be. And this is what you need to do as well. So in order to find the best quality leads, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Google and I'm going to type roofers in New York, right? So for example, if you're in New York, so I'm going to type roofers in New York, and guess what? I'm getting so many of these leads. So I'm going to go click on more businesses here in order to check for the places. And then I'm going to search for the kind of roofers that can take our services. So there are so many of these roofers, but I'm going to look for some of these that can take our services. Let me quickly go back here. I'll see some of the roofing businesses here. So I'm going to open these. Let's say this is a roofing business literally that I clicked on, which is spending money. So think about it. This business, which looks like this, is already spending money, and the quality that I provide here is kind of top notch. Don't think that they could literally use our services or my services that I provide and can have a really modern premium website for themselves rather than having this particular website. Along with this, they do not also have an AI appointment booking system, which I have created here for myself, but they do not have it. Now, these are the solutions that you need to provide to ensure that they always make the most amount of money for their buck, because they're already running ads to this. And if they're running ads to this particular website, guess what? They're not going to get good quality results. And that's when you come in as an AI agency to deliver the best quality, best time frame as possible based on your experience and proven results, right? So that's exactly what we are going to do here for our businesses. And that's exactly what I'll normally do. Now, once you are already searching of these kinds of businesses, I'm going to record a short audit, which basically means I'm going to compare what I have built for them, was basically a model website, a model AI chat system, a CRM, a pipeline, a contact solution management, right? And then I'm going to show it and compare that with what they already have at this point of time, which is not enough. And this is the reason why when we show them the contrast of what we have with our AI agency and what they do not have with the traditional business or agency, and when if we can come in, we can grow their revenue exponentially. Show what exactly they are losing is very important, which is our point number 3. Because if they do not see the amount of money that they are losing out based on the offers that they are not receiving from us, they are going to not able to understand it. So you need to show it to them as to what kind of quality you bring in, what kind of solution you bring in, and why you are the go-to roofing AI agency services in your area, right? And once you show them the system, show them the demo, record a video, and you're to them, guess what? They are willing to work with you, to get on a call with you, or at least see the system in action to book a demo call with you. That's all you need in order to ensure that you get the most high paying, best quality, top quality clients for your own business. Now, the software that I'm going to use here is going to be HighLevel, because guess what? I've been using it for the last 5 years, and hundreds of my clients have already been using this into 20 different niches that I've already worked in the last 5 years. And guess what? If you are not using it, you're losing a ton of money inside your business, because this helps you with websites, funnels, calendars, CRM, conversation, workflow, payments, AI solution, literally everything under one roof. And everything that I showed you here is actually built with our HighLevel AI system. Now, if I have to introduce you to HighLevel, the HighLevel here is our AI powered business operating system. So it's a CRM powered by AI, which has all the AI solutions you need as a small business in order to grow yourself. As you can see, it has over 7 million plus AI voice calls. It has 7.3 billion leads generated. It has 179 million appointments booked, and it has $5.2 billion of sales facilitated in 2025 alone. These are already the top performing businesses in the US, and they are taking on the world with the quality that they are providing. So you capture lead, you nurture them, you close them, and all of this can be utilized by our AI agent inside our system. Because this is the kind of solution that you need to have to ensure that, hey, I do the less of the technical work and more of the client acquisition work. Because guess what? Once you have this kind of solution and this kind of AI services with your AI business, you could charge them anywhere from $3 to $5 to $10,000 for a one-time AI setup fee in the business, as well as you could charge them a monthly recurring fee of $297 to $497 every single month, which becomes your sweet monthly recurring payout as a business. Now, that's exactly the reason why I always ask my business friends that, hey, always need to invest with HighLevel in order to grow your local service business. And guess what? This is a system that I will exactly build. As I already told you, I'm going to choose one niche, one problem, and then provide you one solution. And once I have built that particular solution, I'm going to repeat that to n number of my particular niche clients. So your first clients is the foundation that you create. It's going to take a time. That's absolutely fine. But once you build that, you're going to perfect it, and then you are going to replicate it for all other businesses that you onboard into your agency. And that's the reason why you need to use the HighLevel's AI solution in order to ensure that you get the best quality possible. You have the same structure. You take the new client, faster delivery, and you have the higher margins, because spending less money on tech and more money on acquiring clients, which pay you a one-time setup fee and a monthly sweet recurring revenue. But this is how the model becomes scalable. And I have known clients who have passed 200, 300 accounts as of now, which are paying them on a monthly recurring basis just to have the software live and running, because people know the importance of it. And when they know the importance of it, they're willing to pay the amount of money, because this is a business investment which is going to give them the direct ROI. And the business model is very simple. You have a one-time setup fee, you launch and deliver it to the client inside your high-level system. You have a monthly retainer, consistent value, and predictable revenue, and then you can upsell them for your done-for-you services and all other different kinds of solutions that you offer. It's simple to sell, and it's easier to scale with high level. And guess what? The reason why you should be taking your high level journey with me and partner with me, because I have the go-to guy in this niche for the last 5 years, working with 100 plus clients across 12 plus countries to build them AI powered high level solutions. And guess what? Just because you're watching this video, I'm going to do you an amazing opportunity for you to join my free high level lab community, where I will give you my AI powered system, my AI powered snapshot, and all free resources without asking you literally anything in terms of return. Free community access, free tutorials, and you can learn a high level. But guess what? If you just join high level with my link, you get a 30-day free trial. If you start high level with my 30-day free trial link, or if you are already using high level, you could upgrade that high level account with my link, and you can join access to my premium community with $11,674 of high level bonus stack. You get our premium community access, you get one-on-one onboarding coaching, you get weekly mentorship calls and implementation support calls, you get high level mastery courses and training, you get more than 20 plus niches resources included with 10 plus snapshot, 50 plus AI funnels, and client acquisition strategies that I'm going to personally deliver and help you with. And that's the reason why I wanted to show you this. Check what this is, our free high level labs community. The link should be in the description box. All you need to do is you need to type the highlevellab.com. The link again should be in the description box. Go ahead and get a chance to win a seat in my community for the first 500 members who get it for absolutely free at zero cost. So you get the free high level lab AI software business starter kit, and I do not charge you a penny for the rest of your life. And guess what? This is what the community looks like. It has literally everything that you absolutely need. Not just that, we also have ton of resources, free recently updated resources, training solutions, AI studio, premium templates that I showed it to you, premium AI prompts, coaching Q&A sessions, our access to a premium community, and also our part of our opportunity for our done-for-you services. Now, let me show it to you our premium high-level lab community so that you can get a better understanding. Now, this is what our premium high-level lab community looks like. And guess what? If you go to the classroom section here, you will be able to see that you get our basic high-level account set of snapshot. You get our conversation AI bot agent complete training. You get our AI studio premium templates on multiple niches. You get our premium AI prompts here. You get our marketing agency snapshot along with our premium AI studio SaaS websites. You get your real estate snapshot with our premium real estate landing pages, funnels, templates, and AI websites. You also get our home services contractor niche with over 15 plus premium AI generated website that I just showed it to you with this kind of professional quality, where you could easily charge 2 to 5, even 10 grand to the right audience. And guess what? I'm not going to charge you a penny for this. This is the quality that people get when they join our premium high level community. Nobody, literally nobody is doing this in the high level space, and we have taken the initiative to help our members in the best way possible. So sign up with high level now. Click on the link below to get your 30-day exclusive trial, because if you join directly, you're only going to get a 40-day trial, but I'm going to give you my exclusive link for a 30-day free trial. Join the link below and get exclusive access and a chance to work with me directly to grow your business. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you next.